Welcome to today's instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 2n minus 4 is greater than 6. We will not only find the solution in inequality form, but also represent it in interval notation. So let's get started with solving this inequality step by step. To solve the inequality 2n minus 4 greater than 6, begin by isolating the variable n. This process involves reversing the operations that involve n. The first step is to eliminate the minus 4 by doing the opposite operation, which is addition. Add 4 to both sides of the inequality. By doing this, the expression on the left side, 2n minus 4, becomes 2n because minus 4 plus 4 equals 0. On the right side, 6 plus 4 equals 10. So the inequality is transformed from 2n minus 4 greater than 6 to 2n greater than 10. The reason we added 4 to both sides is to maintain the equality while simplifying the inequality. The operation of adding 4 does not change the direction of the inequality. Next, we need to isolate the variable n completely. The current inequality is 2n greater than 10. To do this, divide both sides of the inequality by 2. We use division because the 2 is being multiplied by n, and division is the opposite operation of multiplication. On the left side, 2n divided by 2 simplifies to just n. On the right side, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So now the inequality n greater than 5 is what we have. The reason for dividing both sides by 2 is to solve for n, keeping the inequality balanced. Since our goal was to find the value of n, we see that the solution to the inequality 2n minus 4 greater than 6 is any number greater than 5. In inequality notation, the solution is n greater than 5. In interval notation, the solution is from 6 to infinity. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.